Hello friends, how are you? Today we're in another place. Actually we were here before with fishing. Like we did fish and we fried it here as well. But today I'm gonna do something else. We were sitting home and we say, you know what? The weather is beautiful. I said, you know what? I feel to eat aubergine kebab. So which is I wanna do aubergine kebab. We don't have much time. We don't have much to do either. But anyway, I come to this place here. Look at this. It's seriously heaven. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this crystal clear water. Very beautiful, very clean. It's not too warm. It's just almost perfect. The conditions are great here. So I'm gonna go do this kebab. Thanks for watching. This my aubergine kebab is ready. So guys, this is not hard to do it back home. So it's very nice looking. We'll make it my fire ready and start it. Now our kebabs are on grill. Okay, will take some time. We have time. Enjoy watching, guys. Guys, look at this. These are beautiful. You know what? To be honest, I tried first time in my life. But you know, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, I mean, I like what I see. Oh, look at this. Wow, very beautiful. So, guys, look at this. Very beautiful. Oh, it's nicely done. Look at this. Nice. Now I wanna, guys, look at this. Beautiful, juicy. Wow. Oh, I'm telling you. Wow. Thanks for watching. I know you can't be here, but I have to enjoy this myself. Bye for now.